He's all, but I'll take the airplane.
Tell him happy birthday.
Amanda, did you get financial aid?
Zach, show everybody the shirt you got.
I got.
Dallin, I got one.
See Zach's shirt he got?
For you, Dallin.
Nice. He's all here.
And show him your t-shirt.
This one.
Thanks,
I hope that, I can't remember like
That's a cool
Chevys or
shirt.
Fords.
Good old boys. Drive
You like
Chevy.
it good.
Nice.
You want to watch it grow?
She told me that she put it in the toilet.
Good job. Teaching.
Keep talking.
How do you get the words to come out of your mouth?
Fuck, and I'll give you hints.
Okay, just show me where it is.
Okay, you don't have to film.
Okay.
Keep walking.
No, they taught me this to move it
Okay, keep
and turn
walking.
with it. Okay.
Go.
Okay, but where do I?
Colder, colder,
Well, you gotta show on me. I'm the most important thing
colder,
here.
colder, warmer, warmer. No, that's not yours. It's close though. Keep going that way.
Where's that?
Oh. No, that's not it either. Keep going.
Oh,
No. Keep going.
that's it. There's
It's underneath the thing.
Oh, that
No, that's not yours either.
this little thing.
No, it's under that little bench.
Oh,
There we go.
I found it. Oh, thank you.
Dad, come in here. Hey Zach, let's find our Easter basket.
Okay.
Warmer, warmer, colder, colder.
This way.
Dad.
Woo! Tree jump. Shh.
I'm reenacting.
No, we're reenacting.
Here, Dad. Where is it?
Found it.
Seriously.
I found it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Bunny is
Here's
real.
mine. Yay.
Oh, thank the Easter Bunny. Tell Easter Bunny thanks.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Oh, it's under here. That's what I did. Easter Bunny.
Jimmy Joe, is that where yours was? Really?
There's more.
What is that?
Hi, Madison. Hi. Oh, wow.
That's my
Does he have
unicorn, and I'm sick
Why
down.
doesn't one Zach get one?
Does he have a name yet? The unicorn?
I called down to
Who else is ready? It's my unicorn.
I'm ready.
And Nick's name
Doug, he's for next birthday.
is the rainbow.
April.
Oh, I like that.
Does anyone have a visual on Zay?
We put
Mom,
the
I
peas
need
on
a
the
fork.
strawberry
Johnny
shortcake.
has to have peas, not strawberry shortcake.
Okay, do you guys have a visual on Zay? Anyone?
No visual.
Put it right
Those lights are starting to get fidgety.
That surprised me though when you are. I know.
I can't believe they cut off the door.
I did. Jimmy Joe.
Where's the light? Where's the light?
Plane, airplane, airplane.
Already.
No, because they weren't here last week. So she's going to open it now. Wow, Michelle.
The animals on it.
I don't know what to do with them. It's an extra thing I bought when I
But Claudia never said anything to me, so I'm like, I wonder if she didn't get
I had it sitting with her family meeting lesson. I go, oh, it's sitting.
That's fine. Just eat it.
Okay.
Mom forgot to give it to her.
I didn't forget. They just weren't here last week.
Oh, raw egg. It sinks in water.
Okay, here's the audience.
Wait,
For
he's
this.
not filming yet.
Okay, wait.
But when you put it into salt water, it floats.
Oh.
You learned that at Salt Touch.
Why?
Does anybody know what the salt
A human.
that explains it? In the water,
Wait, ask down why it doesn't sink.
down,
Keep
down, why does
Got
it sink
Keep
in
a hand
here?
on
How
Zay.
come it doesn't sink?
Why does it float?
It has to do with the mass of the object.
Nasty.
Well,
It sinks there, but it floats there. Alright, kids saw it. So, what happens is, because in the water,
Dad's
and not in regular.
What's happening?
What's happening
The
here?
water should float on the other water.
Down watch.
No, the egg will float.
Halfway.
Sink through one water and then float in the
If
other
she
one.
can do it without
She's shaking.
Let's let the kids answer from now on. I like to hear their
Okay.
answers.
okay, so if you put in the egg, it should sink until it hits the other
Okay.
layer.
Then
Wow.
it stays on top of the salt.
That's magic. That's good.
Yeah, round world.
Okay, this one is the first one that I'm gonna do is firstly for the kids.
First,
Okay,
We already lost 2 kids.
Tyra, can you put that on there? Put it on like that.
Oh, you found magnets. Good.
Push it onto it.
well, they're obviously.
They're magnets, and how come they don't want to go
That
together?
one's probably upside down.
You're right,
that's
Tyra.
Or that one.
She could do smarter than a
What's
kindergarten.
happening,
Are you
Hunter?
smarter than a fit?
You know, I can probably push it down.
That's right.
JJ, where'd you-
Good
that's
Good,
right.
job.
That'd be
Hunter.
good for our
He puts that on his tongue.
football.
Joe, if terrorists
A
listen to
hydrogen
this.
bomb is made from a hydrogen atom.
Yeah, no.
It's made from nuclear fusion. You get a radioactive hydrogen atom, which has way more neutrons on it than it needs.
He wants his bottle.
You set up a bunch of bombs around it and explode it at once, and it creates all this pressure. So this hydrogen atom will form into a helium atom, and it'll create a chain reaction of protons will hit protons and combine into more atoms. You guys don't even know what I'm saying. It has nothing to.
about nuclear fusion.
A nuclear bomb
Which one?
has nothing to do with
Is that what
chemistry. It's
fusion?
nuclear
That's
chemistry.
fusion.
The Americans are here. It shoots out neutrons, which is a part of an atom. It shoots them out really fast, and they'll fly through and they'll hit your cells. They'll hit your atoms, and they'll mess up like your DNA strand. So when your DNA gets copied again, it'll copy it wrong, and that's where cancer comes from. It copies it wrong and it makes it bad. They don't hurt you because they bounce off your skin. You never see them because they're so small, but they bounce off.
Step across. There you go. Okay, now go ahead and hand it Jack.
Okay.
Wait, I can do it. 1, 2,
No, I'll do it.
can?
No.
Whoa!
Don't hurt yourself.
And then,
Okay,
and then show the airplane.
well, we're not riding horses. We're not doing golf. I don't know what the problem is. Physicist trying to put a square object in a round hole. And
Knows how to throw it like I do. You just kind of toss it into the air.
I know how
you
to
don't
toss
throw it.
it.
No, that was bad. Honey, that was bad. Toss it like that.
that way, the wind's against it.
Just go.
Just toss it. Straight.
Okay.
now that's better.
Oh my god.
Is that on? I don't think the plane's on.
That's not bad. Oh, nice. Nice.
Damn.
There it is. There it is. And good job.
Yo, hold her steady. Taps only. Taps only. I'm not even doing anything. Just tap it. April! I'm really good. This is a good one. This is a good one. Bring it over left. Keep it left.
Mine's way better than your guys'.
Yeah! This is longest flight. It's running out of juice. No, April!
Junior, trust me!
April, don't!
You have to turn it off and on.
It has a bit too minutes, yeah. It's gonna crash on the cement.
3. Whoa, that is hard.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. Flip her around, like flip her around. And then it's standing up on this side. So I'll keep flipping and it's and then why are your cheeks purple? April!
That's good.
Here, you want to get snuggy warm? Oh!